Yes. So, ano mga babalikan natin, Mars?
Balikan natin yung crush.
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 Oh, sir.
Kanina sabi mo si
talaga.
Angelo yung crush mo talaga.
Yes. Because before I was even an actor, napapanood ko na siya sa Ang TV.
Yes.
That's why I already felt attracted to her. Especially when I met her and I saw her in person.
So yung naging love team kayo, talagang feel na talaga yun.
Hindi, alam niyo ba? Ito trivia. Trivia to.
okay.
Ang first partner ko talaga sa movie namin na magkagrupo, kaming dalawa. It was the two of us. Kami talaga yung mag-partner
Sa
dapat.
takot ka ba sa dilim?
Oo, takot ka ba sa dilim? And even in TGIS when it started, di ba? Because
Yeah.
Angelo was partnered with Juan Mig.
And then,
It
saan
was
nanggaling
Rika and
yung,
I.
yung parang nagpalitan na ng love team?
Hindi na rin namin
Hindi
alam.
namin alam. Hindi na namin alam kung
Alam
ano
mo kasi,
nangyari.
It was like one of the best, siguro, parang sets that I've ever encountered in my life. Kasi we just let things happen. Yung parang,
So very organic.
Yes.
Even the
Perfect.
characters, even if they're not real, it felt like sumusunod lang kami sa flow talaga.
Ang galing.
So kudos talaga to Direct Mark, Kit, and Dominic.
Dominic.
Silang tatlo yan eh.
And that's why it lasted that long also.
Oh yeah, it was like one of the funniest moments in my life talaga. Tsaka projects.